All right, today I've got a few tips on how you can buy a home as a single homeowner. Yes, you can do it. You can buy a home on a single income, and Ali and I here are gonna show you how, right? Home ownership isn't something you can normally just jump right into. Once you've decided that you want to buy a home, there's a few things you need to prepare and able to do that. Unless you have a lot of money saved up, you're generally going to need to apply for a home mortgage. You don't want to just get pre-approved. You want to get pre-approved with the most favorable terms possible. In order to do that, you need to have a strong credit history and a great credit score. Hopefully, you can get into that range of about 700 or better to be able to get the best terms and the best interest rates possible for you. There's a lot of online credit checking agencies. Check with any of them, Equifax, Credit Karma, all those can give you a pretty good idea of what your credit score is. Really look closely to make sure there's no errors on that credit report. If there are, you're gonna wanna take steps to resolve it. Another credit related factor when determining your home loan is your debt to income ratio. Lenders want a low debt to income ratio. Try to stay at least at 50%. So if you have more than 50% of your debt to your income, it's gonna be a little bit tricky to get that loan. If you do have a higher debt, really focus on paying down those payments, get them as low as you can, and then you can apply for a mortgage. So remember, your debt to income ratio needs to be about 50% or better. Save, save, save. One way to keep a low payment is by putting 20% down on your home loan. That will keep your mortgage insurance out of the picture and you won't have to worry about that. It is tricky and it's a lot of money to put 20% down. So don't worry, if you can't put 20% down, there are home ownership loans that you can get down to as little as 3 and 3.5% down payment. All right, so if you're getting a home loan for about $100,000, 3% down is $3,000. That's still a lot of money, so make sure you save, save, save. My niece is over here playing with this little antique typewriter. Say hi, Peyton. Hi. So 3% is much better than 20% down. So if you're getting
I got really nice. I got the brown one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's home.
All right. I'm not sure what she said. So 20% down. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me finish recording, okay? Okay. 20% down of a $100,000 loan is, now I can't think. It's about $20,000. So 3% or $3,000 is a lot better. So save for that down payment, prepare in advance for that. I gotta play with my niece, I'll be right back. Did you write a letter?
Yeah, for you.
Oh, that's nice. All right, if you're having a hard time getting enough money for that down payment, try to really look really closely at your monthly spending habits, your budget. Maybe you can save a little bit here and there that'll add up. You know, maybe you're going out to eat a little bit, going to movies. Maybe you can carpool to back and work. There's all kinds of stuff that you can do to save. If you can't find anywhere to save, maybe you can do a little side hustle. I did that in the past. I used to do all kinds of stuff to make extra money. So there you go. You can do that to save up for that down payment. Okay. All right, once you've saved up enough for your down payment, you need to get a rough idea of how much you can afford. So a home affordability calculator can help you. You can look at those online. They're not accurate, but they do a pretty good job. So put your own criteria in there, and that'll give you an idea of what your monthly payment and how much of a house you can afford. And that's before you want to talk to a lender. Ultimately, you want to talk to a lender to get the exact amount. Yes, I'm sure she does. Remember, home ownership can be a little bit more expensive than renting at times. Yes, rent is expensive, but you got to factor in your repairs, if your furnace goes out, utilities, things like that. So whether you're married or not should not factor in to your decision on if you should buy a home or not. What you should factor in is your financial stability. If you feel like you're financially sound, responsible, and know how to budget, then home ownership might be right for you. Give me a call or a text. I'm happy to show you any houses around the area. 574-229-6803. Right here's the number. We'll see you on the next video. Peyton, what do you got? She's been dying for me to play with this monkey with her. Hi, Peyton.
Hi.
You got fur on your head. Why do you have fur?
From you.
No, you got fur. You're the monkey, not me.
Yes, you are.
All right. See you guys around. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.